Hello, welcome back. So today I'm making a quilt top for my brother, and all I'm using is 3 meters of fabric and only 3 colours. So I've got a green, a cream and a blue, 1 meter of each. And what you're going to do is you're going to cut 16 strips of the blue, 16 strips of the white and 8 strips for the green. And I'll show you how to make one of the blocks. We make it into strip sets. Your strips are going to be 2.5 inches wide. So all your strips, 2.5 inches wide, that's it. You could even use a jelly roll for this. And we're going to make strip sets with 5 strips per set. And each set makes 2 quilt blocks. So no chit chat right now, we can chit chat in a bit. Let's get started. So I've got 2 of my blue, which I'm going to put on the outside. Next to those, I'm going to put 2 of my cream. And in the middle, I'm going to put green. And I'm going to go to the sewing machine and I'm going to sew these 2 together with a 1/4 inch seam allowance, and I'm going to sew those 2 together with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. You can pin them if you want, but I'm not going to. It's just a straight line and I can hold them as I go. Now I've sewn those 2 together and these 2 together, I'm going to go and sew the green one to the white one, faces together, and then I'm going to put the whole lot together. And that one to the green one, the cream to the green. So, yeah, as if by magic I've done it. Right, now go and press your seams open. I'm loving this wheelie chair. I can just be here, I can be there. It's great. So at this point in the video, it's worth pointing out that this is some of the only ironing I did. We're in the middle of a heat wave here in the UK, and I went completely feral and decided I could not sit over the steam iron in a heat wave. And you'll see later why this was a problem. But some better news is that we've finally reached 5,000 subscribers, and that doesn't seem like a lot compared to some of the big channels, but for us it's massive. We never started out to have a whole YouTube channel. I only ever wanted to show my daughter-in-law Samantha how to sew. I gave her a sewing machine and she's put it on top of the wardrobe and has never bothered learning to sew. But we're all here and we're having a great time, so thank you to all you subscribers and likers and sharers. Now let's get back to the video. Once you've got your strip set sewn together, I love how these colours go together. I nearly went with white, but I got talked out of it and I'm really glad I did. You're going to measure what the width of the strip set is. Mine's 10.5 inches. We're going to cut it down into 10.5 inch blocks. I'm so sorry if you can hear that banging in the background. There's construction going on across the road from where I live. So mine measures 10.5 that way, so I'm going to cut 10.5 this way. Each strip set makes 2 blocks. So you're going to get 2 of your blocks You can have two going that way and the other two this way, and put them down like that. And stick some clips in it or some pins. I'm being driven insane by that noise. Okay, so one of your fabrics is going down, the other one is going across. Let's take them to the sewing machine. Right, I'm going to sew all the way around all four sides with a 1/4 inch seam. You've got your block sewn together. You're going to cut from the corner of your stitches to the corner of your stitches. And then again, corner to corner. And now we have that. So I'm going to take one corner and spin it around, and the other corner and spin that round. I'm going to go and iron my seams open and then sew it back together. So now you have 2 quilt blocks. And do you know what I've just done? That if it's not bad enough, the construction across the road, Mr. WP has just started building something. I have no idea what it is, but he started making loads of noise. So I've just sneaked outside and I've stolen this. So we're going to hide this in the fabric so he won't make any more noise. He's currently wandering around the garage looking for it. So as I was saying, you've got 2 quilt blocks. Put them together and sew them together like that. And you'll have that. And then I'm going to sew them all together in strips of 4. And then you should get 4 strips of 4 from all the strips that you cut from the strip sets. And then we'll sew all them together. So I'll come back and show you the finished thing. I'm all done. There's been a bit of a problem. I'll show you in a second. So what do we think? Can we just get a little slipper appreciation moment? Thanks. There we go. How fabulous is that? I absolutely love the cream. So the person that taught me out of the white, thanks. Yeah, the problem, I'll show you, let me find it. So I was supposed to make this quilt with my brother because it's for him, but he can't sew at all, and I'm quite bossy with him and he doesn't like me being bossy with him. So we'd probably end up rolling around the floor pulling each other's hair, and he's bigger than me. So yeah, the problem, look, is it's 37 degrees in here right now. And we don't have aircon in the UK. So I kind of skipped on some of my ironing, most of my ironing, nearly all the ironing. So this is the problem. Don't skip your ironing, people. Look, some of my seams didn't quite match up. But it's okay because from here, it looks fabulous. And he wears glasses, you'll never see it. So, as we say here, finish is better than perfect. Thanks for watching, stay weird, and I'll see you on the next one.